Uh, try to make a triple chin. Okay. Hello? I live on the farm and I like to feed the chickens. But my husband, he wants me to lose weight, and I say no because I really, really like Cheez-Its. And women. I cannot stand him. He's so thin. I crush him whenever we make love. It's so sad. And I love Wisconsin cheese. It's heaven. Notice how I switched from different accents? Okay. And I like to go partying, except for what? Sometimes the guys don't dance with me. I don't know why. I have so much to offer. I have a farm with chickens that I feed, and it's so interesting, and I have a good personality. I read a lot of literature, and oh man.